Ithembu zamanje mkhulu abafazi abaningi kodwa ithembu zamanje kuhamba kuba isithwalo sikhona isithwalo sesithembu yabo ngihambe ngithi ngifuna amadoda awu6 kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi khona into emele ifunzwe phakathi kwalamadoda awu6
isithwalo sesithembu
ziningi futhi kule insuku other men do it for that because uthola ukuthi la hambe khona bayamtshela ukuthi kumele ugane amafazi abawu4 abakuthi bazoyenza kanje nakanje now you are on up again kushuthi into ukuthi ngibizelwe yona and even how you render it I don't think ukuthi phakathi kwesithembu kumele singabafazi sihambe siyoshayisana no kuhamba kuba khona nokuhluka you must bring different elements I mean you can't have isithembu sabantu abayenza into eyi1 kodwa bagcwele umuzi so what are you bringing to the table kahle
uzwe isithembu mara engubeni you don't even last 5 minutes you understand but without sometimes umfazi ukuthi kube nedlozela imvakashela but uyabona ukuthi ubaba kahle angimnelisi that is a sign ukuthi ikhona igift yokuthi singaba yi2 noma yi3 because esithembu ukuthi umama makakhathala ngapha kumele ngikhuphuke ngiyephezulu ngiyekulomncane you understand so not fully bakhona ikusagijima
okay awunakhona ngathi uskill mawuyagijima
siyagijima
Was I recording? Sounds recording. Timer is on. Good luck on Facebook. Yonke into recorder. Vala sanibonani. Linjani?
Siyaphila.
Bavele bathi siya recorder.
Kanjalo nje sesingenile just like that.
Mfundisi wami.
How's it?
Right man.
All right. Masedi.
Thokozani.
All right.
Ngiyaphila khehla how are you?
You sure?
I'm 100% okay.
Already.
For what?
I don't know.
That's good. Can you relax? I'm ready.
I don't know, but no. Ulothi bekangitshela ukuthi like was inspired the way you were dissecting matters of spirituality. Yabona, not like any other layman traditional healer. So I'm assuming maybe you wanted more on that ukuthi sharp uNkulunkulu uyi1. Us differentiating uNkulunkulu, that's where the problem is. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you can continue on that.
Yeah. Cause kunama point engizwa khuluma right and it's what I preach actually. And I was like kunomuntu engazuthi siyafana yabona. For an example you made an example ngesitshiso and you just quoted verse 1 but even on Genesis is there. You'd remember what created the fight between the brothers, Cain and Abel, right?
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know.
Maybe you were in spirit.
Yeah. No, like into enza ukuthi uCain abulala uAbel was because uNkulunkulu wathi makabacela isacrifice. Abel wenza isitshiso. Right? Senkomo. Then
The other brother
uCain wa offera just veggies, right? But uNkulunkulu wajabulela isitshiso, right? So I was like, no man, isifunga hlangana nogogo mhlambe nginento esingayikhuluma engabonisa abantu ezinye zezinto the way sibona izinto ngendlela efanayo. You understand? Because yes, sometimes kumnandi niba abantu bakamoya but nithi manihleli nikhuluma kube nento abantu abayifundayo. You understand? Because we can't keep going on and on isifuna ukuprove ukuthi ubani ume kanjani ubani wazi uNkulunkulu kudlula ubani yabona. So but like I said masikhuluma ku WhatsApp ukuthi I wanted us to discuss nendaba yesithembu gogo. Yeah, because yazi I think isithembu kumele kube into spiritual, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But namhlanje ngazuthi sokuyinto efinancial.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ubheki waba nemali makafuna umfazi isithuku uyamthola. And kuba neinkinga along the journey, right? So people don't understand how spiritual isithembu must be, yabona? So mina ngifila like sanamhlanje mawunemali nje you can have abafazi abaningi.
Yeah.
But kungasi isiphiwo sakho.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
angazi noma understand
No,
na
ngiyathola.
angazi
Oh, isithembu isiphiwo.
isithembu isiphiwo
Kahle.
kahle
Asikuthi ngivumelana sokuthi
Ngiyayivuma
asikuthi mele ngibe ne financial muscle or isiphiwo will manifest imali to sustain isithembu.
ithi ngiyingene kodwa ngiphinde ngicale ngokuzazisa yena.
Okay.
Thokozani ugogo Mercedes lo khulumayo inkosazana yakaSello gogo wama 2K gogo moto edurayo gogo moto ishintshayo. Now rigene kamoto abahayile ngoro ifuthumithi yabona isithembu njengoba ubuza ukuthi is it not a financial factor or what not. If you are called into isithembu umuntu lelidlozi likubizile phakathi kwesithembu will make sure that you're able to cater for the people that you've invited into your polygamy. Now when we speak of polygamy we're not talking about physical desire but kuhamba kuba khona nje kwasithi calling into ehamba nomoya. I can't just wake up and say hey mina ngiyikhehla ngifuna abafazi abawu3 bazokwenzani la ekhaya. Waretlatha indlu yasicwalisa umuzi sifike sithandane nawe you are providing for us but what are we doing there? Now that's where the calling part comes in ukuthi isithembu usakha based on what? Is it based on lust? Is it based on physical attraction or is it a spiritual thing elunguru ubilediswe yona ingakho abantu abaningi bazothi mina umkhulu waye nesithembu therefore I must. No, you don't have to. Ekuye futhi ukuthi izithembu zamanje mkhulu abafazi abaningi kodwa izithembu zamanje kuhamba kuba isithwalo sikhona isithwalo sesithembu yabo ngihambe ngithi ngifuna amadoda awu6 kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi khona into emele ifunzwe phakathi kwalamadoda awu6
Isithwalo sesithembu.
yes ziningi futhi kule insuku other men do it for that because of uthola ukuthi la hambe khona bayamtshela ukuthi mele ugane amafazi abawu4 abakuthi bazoyenza kanje nakanje. Now you are on a search. Pastor needs a wife. Sangoma needs a wife. Why you are because of it's like an audition. Hamba kuba khona nezinto ukuthi uyazifunza ngokomoya ukuze ube nemali. Kuba ukuthi ke na isithembu sakho maba ukuthi akhe ngiyithwalo umfazi oyi1 meqala teka yonke into yadilika ngoba phela isivumela nasisagcinwanga. So isithembu masiyikhuluma iqiniso nje isithembu isiphiwo ukuthi ugogo wami mina wayengene esithenjini angihlangene that was her and that's it. But if it comes up again kushuthi into ukuthi ngibizelwe yona and even how you render it I don't think ukuthi phakathi kwesithembu kumele singabafazi sihambe siyoshayisana no kuhamba kuba khona nokuhluka you must bring different elements. I mean you can't have isithembu sabantu abayenza into eyi1 kodwa bagcwele umuzi so what are you bringing to the table kahle uzowenzani la isibayeni sasekhaya mangabe
abantu abenza into eyi1 kumele benzini?
I mean okay I'll speak from my point of view, right? If somebody says to me I'm inviting you inside of Isithembu akuba ukuthi umfazi oqala ngoba angicabanga ukuthi ungaphahluka ngendaba yesithembu kubo yimini oqala uzobe usongibela ikhanda lapho yo. So what happens is that if ukunomfazi oqala noma wesi2 mele kusingayenza into efanayo angeke ushada ama doctor wonke. Yabo angeke kube ukuthi akha isithembu based on spiritual gifts. It can't be based on okay ngifuna ama slay queen phakathi kwesithembu. Those people need to bring different elements. That's how si akha isithembu. Isithembu awusakhi ngokwenyama ukuthi mina ngibukeka kahle mangihamba no Mercedes. Kodwa uyabheka ukuthi ekhaya ngiphuba kuyikhaya linjani lo muntu lona njengoba ngithi ngifuna ukumthatha ngimfake phakathi kwesithembu umkhulu uzomsebenzisa kanjani noma ugogo wami ufuna ukumsebenzisa kanjani. That's when we start differentiating ukuthi okay maybe uNdlunkulu uyidokotela ebese unumber 2 uyinyanga unumber 3 akabe yilawyer unumber 4 akabe yislay queen sizoshayisana sonke mawukuthi sihlangane ngento eyi1 ngoba manje it's going to be a competition. Ukuthi if we are all doctors they say that reading akawufela kamo litlo robala sizongcwaba ngama11 ngoba ngifuna ukutest ukuthi induku yami yasebenza phezulu kwalo ngoba futhi isithembu futhi sidala ulaka lisidala umona because of amadoda amaningi you want to start isithembu but you know that it is not a spiritual thing so you do as you please you hurt everybody you go on around lying and telling people ukuthi ugogo wami yakufuna umkhulu wakhe yakufuna mangifika umkhulu amangali ukuthi hawu nasi isangoma Nkosi yami la ekhaya isithembu asisakhi nesangoma then what
and initially gogo ne mandulo abantu abadala bathi it was never a man telling the wife ukuthi ngifuna umfazi wesithuba.
Yes,
initially idlozi ngoba sesikuthethe wala emagcekeni noma umoya bowuvakashela umfazi ukuthi mama sifuna indle encane.
yes.
Niyashoda la endlini and some will tell you ukuthi mina lento lebe ngiyiphikisa I ended up being sick. Basho abadala ukuthi angeke uphole umsizi wakho singakamtholi, you understand? But namhlanje a lot of women out there baba abused by amadoda avele afuna ukuzenzela isithembu claiming idlozi lisho kanjalo umoya usho kanjalo. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. That is why nalento ukuthi esithembini kuyaloyana nani izinto zamanje but kudala bebathandana ngathi abantwana bomuntu
bawishelana ama happy birthday.
Yes, we must go out. If we're going into a stembu,
We must go out. Sishaya indoda.
Mna kwethu lalela sahambe siyodiscuss phela sekumele kube ne timetable. Sekumele sihlale phansi sibonisane ukuthi njengoba sibizwe indoda lana ekhaya uthi isiko la kubo mhlambe kena isipho esayehlela kuyena. We must find a common ground. Ingakho ngisho ukuthi iphindi sishayisise la ukuthi you want to get people in the same alignment or on the same path and you want to put them in one house. If I go into East Tembu, I know damn well that I wouldn't want another healer to come into that space because if I'm already a healer, I'm carrying abantu abangakanani. Now enye inyanga maso uyifaka phakathi kwesithembu ngibe ngiyinyanga, that's where inkinga sicala khona. Sishayana ngeyichitho ngoba sifuna iattention yaka baba. Sicela ini ngoba sifuna ukuthi ubaba angenzele ukuthi nokuthi. Esithenjini akumelanga kube njalo. Mina ngazi ukuthi mawungena phakathi kwesithembu, we sit down with my partner and okay, this is what we need. Mhlambe ke na sithi abanye abantu they will always say ukuthi ngifuna ukwandisa isibongo. Mithisa lo muntu onayo uyekela ibongo uzozandisa and futhi if ufuna ukwandisa isibongo, let it be an agreement between you and the wife that you currently have.
Umfana kavela ngithi. Khona siyande.
So isithembu is biblical or not? Angithi lana sikhuluma ngezinto zomoya. Even neBhayibheli umoya ngithi. Yes. So mina ngicela ukubuzela thina side lethu because of into enyaziyo ukuthi kubo Abraham besikhona la wesayenzeka ngakhona. So we are taking that from the Bible side and silethe esintweni na.
You see how you're saying ukuthi abo Abraham iBhayibheli mama ngilazi ngihlezi ngisho kanjalo.
Yes, I remember. Yes.
iBhayibheli naleBhayibheli rawutlwana but it's not even like that. But into uyibuzayo abo Abraham mababa nabafazi abawu 2 or 3 bonke banama responsibilities. Akunamfazi ofike ngeresponsibility omunye noma khona omunye othi ngifuna ukwenza umsebenzi ngqonyana kunaloya omunye. Sihlangane ngoba differently, we have different contributions to what we're trying to build. Isithembu ukakha empire, yabo. Ukakha empire uakhe into wena ufuna ukuthi uyibone kusasa siphumelela. But you cannot build with people that are not even built for that, because also if I'm a woman and I agree to go into Isithembu, I first need to check ukuthi ithonga lasekhaya leyivuma noma bayayazi lento engiyenzayo. Ngoba umuntu angafika kwena azokupropose ukuthi hey mina sengifuna ukugana abafazi abawu 3. Mina you know, where does it put me as a person in this polygamy? Mina, what is my position in this marriage? So it's always better ukuthi ngaseBhayibhelini labafazi abaningi abo Abraham abafazi abawu 2 kanjani bayazi imisebenzi yabo phakathi kwalesithembu. Hayi esishaya manje, it's just desire.
So mina ngicela ukubuza ke Mercedes. So if isithembu si biblical, another way usho ngakhona ukuthi isithembu kahle if lento nikhuluma ya agree with lokuthi isithembu kahle it was all about ukuthi mina maybe angikhona ukuthi ngibe nabantwana. So sengiyacela ke ukuthi hayi mina kunoyintombazana ngibonile kuphi because of back then I think besithathwa umama uLothi asho ukuthi hayi sengibonile mina sengikhathele baba but bengicela umuntu ozowenza njani ozonginceda. Yes. So lethi samanje siya ngokuthi nginemali ukhuluma ngokuthwala ngoba ngabafundisi bethu awuthi uyabheka so uthi uyabhekelela kahle banabo but babafihlini.
Yes.
So ku right ukuthi ngibe nesithembu ngumfundisi ngiphinde futhi ngize kini ngizoconsulta, but I'm saying I'm a Christian. Ngikhulumela ku Christian view. Is that okay, or funeke sazi ukuthi sikhona and we need to balance it? And how do we go about as a woman ngicela ubaba mina rather than ubaba as a gim angitshela ukuthi hayi ngoba wena so uyakhathala ngicela uMercedes? How do we tackle that in this generation yamanje?
Ngifuna usicela la ekubeni uthi ngiyakhathala manje asidonsa uMercedes. Yabona ukukhathala phakathi kwesithembu is not valid. You know, I believe that once you get married to somebody, you commit yourself like that. If that person says that I want to have 4 kids, it's suka agreement. So ukhathala kwakho phakathi komendo noma kanjani nakanjani cannot be an excuse for you to find another one. Because what happens when I wake up one day and I have the energy in the world to run into wifunai. So if we're gonna pace it, that's it's not a valid reasoning yabo akusiyona ireason ukuthi singathula kuyona. But now ukuzikhetha a generation yamanje ngizoyibeka ihlaza yabo asingayihlobisi. Isithembu manje is just an excuse yokuthi uhambe uyofeba yabo. And amanye amadoda they bring it up to you and say ukuthi ngilanda umfazi wesithu ngoba angifuni ukuthi uthi wena hehe ngiyakugangela, so I'm bringing it forth. But you see ukuthi that is not a spiritual thing, that is your personal desire. Wena ofuna ukuthi uziphonse kwabantu abaningi ningi, idlozi lakho alishongo ukuthi wena kumele uhambe uyolala nabantu abawu3 ukuze uthole ukunethezeka. So now our generation right now simosha ngokuthi ngifuna ukushielda ukungcola kwami ngibeke ngelihlo lesithembu kodwa ungcolile. It does not take the fact away ukuthi ungcolile phezulu kwalesithembu osakhayo. Now in the Bible how they render it, I don't njengoba ngisho ukuthi iBhayibheli angisinto ukuthi ngihlala kuyona kodwa angikhumbuli kuthiwa labafazi basesithenjini bese bekhiphelana imikhonto manje omunye ufuna ugadla ubani ngoba umnikazi wesithembu wabeka ama grounds wakhe kahle ukuthi I am gifted with the gift of prophecy. What you gonna do whatever the story is, eyakho itask ukuthi wenze 1 2 and 3 wena uzolekelela ngokuthi 1 2 and 3. If 2 parties do not agree, then just know ukuthi isithembu sakho uzakhe phezulu kwento ukuthi isiphukile claro ngoba mawungifaka esithenjini mele bese siyazwana. Ithi umamkhulu kusasa makazovumelana ukuthi okay uMercedes no Ghost Lady bayangena phakathi kwepanel noma bayangena emendweni, into esivumelana nayo. That's why I'm saying ukuthi we must also go on dates. Like if somebody was to say come into isithembu, I want to know the person that I'm going to be building with.
Esokuthwala sisibona kanjani ukuthi lesi ayikho lesi esokuthwala ke lesi isphiwa sikho la lothi sisibona kanjani si wrong. Yeah
Esokuthwala. Okay, no, you can go first Mkhulu.
No, yazi mina I believe ukuthi into yiyo yabona ngibuzo uyichange. For an example, more especially masingena ku point ka mamfundisi makathi uthi maybe angisakhona yabona. I don't think ngenzeka ukuthi bathu nesiphiwo sokuba nesithembu. Mara engubeni you don't even last 5 minutes. You understand? But without sometimes umfazi ukuthi kube nedlozela imvakashela but uyabona ukuthi ubaba kahle angimnelisi. That is a sign ukuthi ikhona igift yokuthi singaba yi2 noma yi3. Because as sikhuluma manje kunabafazi abazwana nabantu besithembu but labantu abazazi. But this woman is busy accusing the man of ungenza sex machine, ungenza umahosha like yabona. The man is like dead by virtue of nature. You understand? Unegazi lesithembu. Ukuthi umama makakhathala ngapha kumele ngikhuphuke ngiye phezulu ngiye kulomncane. You understand?
So sexuality
no, it's just one of the signs. It's one of the signs because if you can't satisfy me, you need a helper. Melwe no sister wife.
No.
You don't even need that. It must be a natural high libido. Because lobukhosi liyashisa by virtue of nature.
And if it's
yeah, and it's pure. Uzalwa unayo. Yeah. For an example, bakhona ikisagijima.
Okay, awungakhona ngathi uskini mara uyagijima.
Siyagijima.
All right.
Yeah, mara nginalo lesithembu mina.
Now mara ngathi siyabisa.
Singibisi. Yeah. But ama-signs abalapho. For an example, ugogo yambona. Growing up ngisho ukuthi bewakhona ama-sign ukuthi lo mntwana akafani nabanye abantwana. Uzokhuluma izinto zenzeke. Akakathwasi by then. Sesiyabona ukuthi lo muntu uyabonisa unesiphiwo, uyabona. So manenga ama-sign okubona ukuthi man there's something wrong about this man.
Yeah.
Yena njalo makagibele siyahlala, yena njalo makagibele siyahlala. You understand? Some need ukuthi kube nezinto ezibaboostayo. Omunye uthola ukuthi noma kuya udoctor is the man that is having a problem ukuthi umfazi acash, yabona? And when you look isithembu sakudala, abantwana bebaba so. But namhlanje umuntu unabafazi abayi7, abantwana abandluli ne5. Ila ubona kumele ubone khona ukuthi hayi wire somewhere, but when you need you need ukuthi ube nabafazi abaningi mawulala nalo uthatha inhlanhla yakhe, uyabona? But uyayibona ukuthi
amazise nga 3-4 nyana yabantwana.
you understand, so it's deep.
Because also when we talk about seeing amasign we Tembu as a stwalo, all the women in this Tembu is stwalo will be fully dependent on you. Ayikho into abacabanga ukuthi bakhona ukuzenzela bona into ukuthi ifakiwe la ikhanda ukuthi nanoma so ukuthi si6 la ekhaya, but you do not see your value. You are always shadowing yourself with that man because of that man is your provider. Ekugcineni phela manje ngithi ngiyothwala ngesithembu kusho ukuthi kumele ngikhona ukondla zonke le ngane ngizilethela kulomuzi. Asithi bonke labafazi labayazala ngizobawondla ngani. So manje lento lena kuba isivumelwano omkhulu ukuthi siyavuma singakupha into ukuthi izokukhandela imali, kodwa wena phela kumele uphilise abantu abayi8 or 6. Labo abantu besifazane mele bakhandele 1 2 and 3 and then nawe uyakhula. Now iyaqala njengoba umkhulu asho ukuthi wena so uyakhathala ukuthi uyindoda ebizelwe phakathi kwesithembu kodwa uyakhathala. Mase ukhathele ufuna ihabunyane elincane akwazi. Hlala nale izalukazi ozibizile ekhehla ngithi yizo lezi idlo zakho lithe hlale kuzo. Hlala nale izalukazi until baba nomoya ngoba phela umuntu wesifazane naye uyakhathala. Umuntu wesifazane makuumuntu umoya usheshe udinwe, yabo uyadinwa kakhulu ukuthi yabona zonke lezi zinto ezenzakalayo mina ngithola ukuthi angisakhethi. Give me isithembu is valid because if I have a job of my own and I have a bundle of my own. But now imagine how it would affect umshado if I didn't have umuntu ukuthi unomunye umuntu ambone esayidini noma angakhanga isithembu. In that case it's valid because of spiritual reasons need me to be ekhaya. Kodwa awukwazi mkhulu ukuthi ungaletha umuntu uthi ufuna isithembu ufuna ukwandisa isibongo kodwa umuntu akhona ahambe angazali. Yabo shuthi manje phela makangazali ube uthi ufuna ukwandisa isibongo ithi mina ngikulandele ngaziyo ukuthi isibeletho sakhe siyobamba lembewe uyifunayo ebese sihambe siyotshala lembewe uyifunayo soyitshala ingane zikhule. Now that's where the conflict starts ukuthi you want isithembu but you cannot provide for the people that are there, because if idlo zakho says that go and build this empire and we're going to give you the people that you're going to work with, they better make sure that headquarters in already funds it's a show her building ya and if the funds are not there, just know ukuthi isigubhu sesikhahlelile isavuki gone kanje bese bayakhathala. Mayikhathala ufuna amahabunyana ufuna ukuyolanda ingane ezincane ngoba ezingane vele ziyosheshela ukuhamba ukuthi unemali ubabhekisizwe simbonile unemali so ngizojima lapha bese uzizwe ngathi uyinsizwa kanti nix isithembu sakho sesithwalo siyatropela sesihambiswa ama 2K.
And sometimes emoyeni ne noma kwabadala banokubona ukuthi ubheki mangathandana noGogo Mercedes kuyophuma inyanga noma umfundiso very powerful. Makabuye athathe uma mfundisi kuyophuma this president or whatever kuba nama reason amanye nawo wabona sewayenzeka ngeke wazi yonke ukuthi why bafuna ngithatha abantu abaningi kangaka. Bayazi ukuthi bathi nabahlangana nabakabogogo nabakabo mamfundisi bavumelana ngani nani. That is why ubheke iBhayibheli abantu abaningi babakhethiwe lapha akusi abantu okwashadwa. Hayi kwavele wacelwa nje ukuthi asicreateni into nje kuphuma uJesu kuphuma uMoses and those people became particular people abakhulu
kahle sithembini into engiyitholayo la.
Yeah.
Uthando it matters not that much.
You will love them because
yeah, but it's not the biggest reason.
bakulethele ngekumthanda mfowethu.
Ngifuna kanjalo.
Oh uyamthanda uyabathanda nje bonke equally. So
because also I think if you were to agree as a woman, if I have to agree into isithembu, it means that mele bese ngikuthanda ngendlela yokuthi through thick and thin I'll stand by you.
Not ukuthi ube matured enough to understand ukuthi maybe we are making our families stronger.
No, I feel like not that I feel like
empire. But uthando phela lihamba hamba liphele. Uthando not liphele but ligcina lingasabi. I mean, like there's a lot esithembini ukuthi you can just base it uthando phela.
Yeah, well, love is the first one and that's like the biggest highlight because love is an energy. if ngithi ngikuthanda ngaleyo ndlela and ngiyabona ukuthi mina nawe sesiakhile futhi phela ngeke uakhe isithembu nami sibe mina nawe singaka akhi mele sicale siakhe sibone ukuthi kuya-akheka na qala before uzoletha abanye ngoba phela ngeke uyilethe ingane yabantu sibe sihlupheka siyi-2 uyosilethela umthwalo wesi-3 asihambe siyoqala sibone ukuthi mina nawe siyakhona ukuphilisana na iyothi mhlazane so ukuthi I'm now comfortable uthandwa ngithi has taken over I love you to that depth yokuthi I will give you unconditional love. Now when you bring in umuntu mele siqale phansi simbuze ukuthi uze ngani gogo yabo uzoyenza kanjani Darlene mina nawe sinenkinga ethize nanga umuntu esicabanga ukuthi angaphilisana nami hayi ukuthi azophilisana nawe wena vele uyokuthanda uyindoda yakhe uzokuthanda kodwa asibone ukuthi mina nalomuntu omlethayo siphilisana kanjani because at the end we cannot build this what you're trying to build we must the both of us need to come together and build your vision right so now if we cannot have a backbone yokuthi sibeke ama problems aside and love the person that brought us together that's where the problem is so now I would fully say and I stand firm on it ukuthi isithembu is not just about materialistic thing iqala ngothando olu unconditional ukuthi mawuzoqala ungibekela ukuthi this is what I want to do akumelanga ngikuphikise ngoba phela sungikhombile uthando wangikhombisa ukuthi you are true to me and you are also very faithful and loyal lapho ke bese siyavumelana ukuthi okay fine arisamero Kenya gogo mamanga mayifika la etafuleka ngibiza wena futhi indoda yami ngoba phela angimaza ngithi umntanakho ngibiza wena ndoda yami ngisho ukuthi solokhu ugogo afikile la ekhaya imali ayisangeni izinto asahambi kahle kusho ukuthi siyageja kusho ukuthi lento ufuna ukuyiakha iyasigejisa manje asiyofuna umuntu ozosebenzela phakathi kwalento esifuna ukuyiakha
gogo yeah this one is gonna be tough nyamazi kusuka kenzakalani mawuhlukana with a God sent partner or a Lozi sent partner because I'm one of the people I think it's more than 2 people engathi mangithandana nabo I'd be in a taxi esontweni they'd be like hey umuntu wakho uhlushwa into so sikuphe yena uyabona wakho and you go ask baby vele uhlushwa isisu nathi abathe wenze so uyabona so unikela konke udayi lo muntu wami but bahambile gogo abasekho
those people
yeah
but abagogo bahlezi basho njalo vele ukuthi hayi noma umupho omtholayo uye lo
we understand
umthola muphi
ngifuna ukuza lapho
uye lo
meme ngabe ngiyahamba ngiya enyangeni wazi ukuthi enyangeni inyanga eziningi zikutshela into abafuna ukuthi wena ngithi uze ngeindaba ngizokutshela into ofuna ukuyizwa ngoba umoya uyangitshela ukuthi phela into
yakho sihlangana etaxini ne asazani
okay
uvukwa idlozi
ebese idlozi lithi kumele
ungibona wena nomuntu wakho omshiya endlini nizoba nabantwana nizoshada kuzoba kanje uphiwe yena but isikhathi masihamba
ngiyaphela
seniyahlukana
ngiyayazi le ngiphuma kuyo omkhulu bangikhomba straight
nawe watshelwa ngumuntu
I'm the one who saw it
yeah
mina wami ngazibonela yena
umuntu wakho
yes and lapho ke lapho besingazani ngaleyo ndlela
kwaphela futhi
yaphela kabuhlungu kanjani
and ngamadlozi agejile
you know I think
ukhona abanihambele phambili
I think mina nento besingicabanga isoyishare yabona but into ebuhlungu ukuthi ukuphela kwakhona emfethu ifuku washonela umuntu omthandayo akusipain like umama wakho or babakho ipain la khona kuba ngazuthi you dying and it becomes proof enough ukuthi ngokwempela bekangazizelanga bokunomoya thizeni osihlanganisile because uzwa ngathi uhlaba ummese enhlizweni like awuzubuhlungu enhlizweni kuphela uzwa nasemoyeni
hayi le deep
leyo break up leyo nyayaze yangizacisa Nkosi yami last year
last year
so but mina ne I don't think idlozi noma umoya ungireveal this ne but ngicina ngiyikhuthaza ngokuthi you know what if bake bathi zoba ne Mercedes eso or BMW eso it doesn't mean that if you're not gonna take good care of it it's not gonna break
yeah
angeke ibe kuma accident ngiye ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe sasithandana but one of us flopped and izinto angeke zibe normally irrespective of whether ngimpho uNkulunkulu noma idlozi
but said mos amadlozi sewanhlaka
ayimfundisi and awumkhohle umuntu wakho noma kungadlula 3 years
awumkhohle
unala umphupha ngathi nihlukene izolo yo kokuhleka yazi and uyofanayo these things
Because I'm a victim.
I
That's
don't
why I'm
maybe
laughing. That's why I've fallen into that trap yamadlozi. Bakhomba umuntu banikhombisa future. Banikhomba umshado ephupheni ngibe ngizibona ukuthi ngifake nering mostly now. Yonke into ihamba kahle, yabo. But that's where the miscommunication comes. Sometimes we are shown abantu akumele sibasize and we make a mistake of thinking that those are our partners. Okunye ukuthi into eyenzakala edlozini ngiyakhona ukuthi ufike kimi ngikuthande kahle futhi ebese makuvela izinto zedlozi ebese lakho idlozi lingikhahlele ngaphandle. That's because of I've done my job. My job there was done. I was supposed to open a portal for you, and if we do not last or kuhamba kubonakala ezinye izinto that do not align with me, idlozi liyoyihlaphaza leyo nto leyo. Ngisho nanoma sebakutshelile ukuthi nanga umuntu omele uyothandana naye. I've been with people where I know that this person is chosen by amadlozi, but where are they today? They are nowhere to be found because of into yasihlanganisa ngalesa sikhathi. Uyitholile yabo ezomelaphi wendabuko. Uyohamba ulapha izizwe, people will come to you baze bazokushela kube kuhle kube mnandi. It's all romantic, but as soon as that person finds their healing or until when uperforma lento bekayidinga when they will leave. That's why umkhulu asho ukuthi the relationship there is very deep because of imagine I've been with you through the struggle, and one thing about abantwana bamadlozi, when you meet a partner you're gonna meet somebody that needs your help so much. Uzinikele, but once they get their help, allow them to go, you are done. But
mageze njenge yeah nabamletha as a lover, but it's not fair because ngiyayizwa lento
at least nawe ke abakubeka stars ke ukuthi
one thing about one thing about amadlozi, they don't care about relationships. They do not care about relationships because back emandulo labantu laba bebakhona ukubekezelela indoda ejola nabantu aba11 azayizalela izingane ezu20 abathandana nathi sonke yabo. So now that we are in this generation, the reason why spiritual relationships don't really work out is because of what our grandparents had to endure. Into kuba imbokodo, mina angivumeli lento untombazana sitshela ukuthi mina ngimbokodo. Sometimes ba imbokodo phezwento ukuthi isiqalekiso phezwempilo yakho, uba imbokodo yokuthi ngizoshintsha from this man to this one, from this one to this one. Ulibele uthi wena uyimbokodo. Sometimes you need to put your foot down and say lalelani madlozi angiphiki and le ithipe ukuthi nomlalela ngahamba ayu practice. I mean, I tell my ancestors every day ukuthi we refuse to be played by a man because of the first one did it, the second one did it, and I almost lost everything. So this time around go khalisa misking indoda ezothi lana ifuna imbokodo ayitholakali like mina akayifuna kwenye indawo. Now ama relationship ukuthi aphephuke njengamaphepha ube ukuthi uboniswe idlozi lakho is because of we are always mistaking ama client for relationships. We are mistaking amathwasane for marriage. I see thwasane and I'm like unamandla lo mntwana ngithi ngiyamgana mangimfaka esibayeni ukuhamba kuchopela mina abana manje sekukuningi kusasa
isigulane kahle mlwethi wenza mlwethi mede
you understand
bese siba accuse ukuthi he was here to steal from me.
And it wasn't even the case. Amadlozi, one thing about them, ngasho the last time, it was idlozi, they always have their best interest in making sure that we are okay. But now because of angithi mele ufunde mele ukhule bayokulahlela kulama relationship uzufunda abantu to a point where you understand ukuthi lo iclient lo umuntu engizothandana naye. Most of us are very very single because of umuntu ufika anesizi lakho uneyinkinga zakhe. Now when you come ngizokusiza ngoba vele mina inhliziyo yami right, how Mercedes muyireletshelete, help him unlock certain things, fix their alignment, teach them who God is, groom them kahle kahle. Iyothi lo muntu sekamtholile uNkulunkulu nedlozi lakhe awu uyokushiya uyoqala ayenze imikhuba yasemhlabeni akhohle ukuthi uwe wamfaka ezulwini wamkhomba ukuthi amasango asemzulwini ame kanjani. Jiki you are the bad person because of your chapter with that person is done. Abantu esikhomba bona ngasedlozini, they are not there to stay. They are not there to stay.
Manje gogo lena ngizoyibeka nje straight the way ngakhona. Leyo kuvukelwa gogo umuntu kamoya ne. I don't know if wonke umuntu kamoya uhlushwa ilento leyo but
Uvukela kanjani ba?
like abantu bakamoya gogo mina won't be afraid ukukhuluma
Oh, you
because
mean
it's
sexually
camera.
active?
Yeah, like
Oh, okay.
2 minutes so kunje uyabona
yeah
and when ungathandaza as much as ukhona or ugeze ngani uyenzeni but ayihambi lento gogo ne okay kuba nama seasons whereby awufuni nix maybe 3 months indlule ungafuni nix mara
mayibuya
yabona kokuthiwa isigcina sibona ama client nje ngabantu esingathandana nabo because abanengi bayahluleka ukuyibamba yabona so bakhona abafana nami so mina mayifike ngamandla ngibona ukuthi angisakhoni mina ngizivala ngingubo ngiyazenza ngiyaceda you understand ukuthi ngingayothatha imimoya estratini and all that so si stop kanjani lento gogo if unayo iyakuhlupha
angithi Sithembu
na reka sithome ka Sithembu gogo. No, being sexually active as a spiritual child, it's a common thing. Yeah, it's
abantwana bomoya banenkinga.
Asinankinga ngoba ngisho nomntana ongenamoya uyinkinga. Inkinga akusiyithina, inkinga yilabo abazilethayo bathi I'm accessible yabo. But because of that every human being has sexual needs and it's all dependent on control and self-respect. Now you cannot be passing yourself over from every Tom, Dick and Harry. You need to be selective as to who you give yourself unto. But also, njengoba ubaba asho ukuthi uyasiza nayo leyo ingozi ngoba the minute you climax, you are inviting a spirit. I always say ukuthi sex is very spiritual. Saqala sahlangana ngama belly button, it's chai. Yabo. So when you're masturbating or you're doing your little party there, you must always keep in mind that there's also a spirit that you're inviting because of as you are about to climax, that's a spiritual encounter. Yona into yenzakalayo. Yabo. Khona into eshintshayo lapho. So umntana omoya, I highly recommend that you stay away from masturbating. Don't do it. If ubona ukuthi ubambekile, hambi yobhema, thatha isnafe, thatha impepho, hambi yohlala namadlozi akho ukuthi yabona manje izandla noma angikhona ukuzisebenzisa ngoba mawunesikhupha it goes a long way. You start inviting spirits that are not wanted. But umuntu mawukuthi when uyazazi ukuthi ecansini umshini wena uhlezi uoperateile, get somebody that's stable. Owaziyo, don't turn them into a sex toy, but also just make sure that sexually they have the same level of sexual desire. Ngoba sizoba nenkinga if your libido is this high and I'm literally here. It's always gonna feel like it's forced. So you need to find people that see eye to eye. Kodwa abantwana bamadlozi,
they're bad.
They're worse. Iwes uzibuze nawe ukuthi kanti siphi lesilwane sifike phezulu kwami ngoba what is this? Listen, some ancestors use sex as a connection, right? And I know this thing has been debated for so long. Abantu bayaphikisana kodwa iqiniso. Amanye amadlozi mawafika kuwena, they will show their connection through sex. Now it is important for you to identify ukuthi lolu cansi lwasephupheni ngizizwa kanjani.
Even lamaphupho la unokuphupha unomuntu.
Yeah, some sexual dreams are spiritual.
Is not a bad thing.
It isn't a bad
Not
thing.
all of them.
Not all of them.
Not all of them. Ingakho ngisho ukuthi bheka ukuthi in that moment uzizwa kanjani. Yabo, if uzolala nesilwane uzovuka vele ucabanga ukuthi yabona le engihambe izolo ingihambile sana and I need to cleanse. But if it was a genuine connection between you nethonga lakini, you will not even feel guilty. You won't feel bad. It will not bring any form of darkness on your life. We are like nothing even happened. Now, okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
And Peggy, as a Christian, ikhona kuBhayibheli.
Yeah.
But ayivezi the way uyabona kunombhalo eBhayibhelini othi onikeza ama rules wokungcola kwecansi. Thiwa mawushadile ulinda isikhathi esingaka before uthinta into zakho uma ngabe maybe umuntu engashadanga isikhathi esingaka but kube nala ithi makungenzeka ube sexually defiled without touching anyone just by excreting mara ayichaza ukuthi kanjani uma 24 days geza ngamanzi askuni lokungcola kuyaphuma so uchama kanjani ungalindananga ungathintananga nomuntu it's through those dreams nokuzibamba maybe I don't know you understand so it's not about abantwana bethonga kuphela every spiritual person
because umoya
Everybody has this.
you understand
njengoba besisho ucansi edlozini, as much as we say you can see it in a dream, it can be a good thing, it can be a bad thing,
Yeah.
but you mustn't akumelanga kube into uyijwayeza idlozi lakho le.
Yeah.
Idlozi uyalihlalisa phansi, amadlozi they understand everything. If idlozi lakho liyabona ukuthi umshini nje lona aliphumuli, uyalihlalisa phansi ukuthi idlozi lami akwazi, because of one thing that these spirits do. You know, I don't like how amazangoma are associated with adultery. They'll say, hey, zangomeni kuyaphuzwa, bayalalana, nanana. It is because of manje. Le mimoya mayisukuma ayikhethi ibala lomuntu. Once this thing kicks in and says ukuthi, hey, listen, we must smash, or you need to, mele uhambe uyodedela konke, it picks literally everyone. Onke umuntu ukuthi uphambi kwakho mamela, and abanye siyabazi umbona umuntu uzibuza ukuthi ifike kanjani la sokuthi banengane lethu, kodwa lapho ngaleso sikhathi kwaphakamele lelo dlozi lelo eli-reckless, yabo.
Eli-reckless.
Idlozi uyalifundisa. Idlozi, they do not know how to conduct themselves on your body, because of, remember, it's a spirit that was invited, or rather they chose to invite themselves onto your body. Now, if I say that I want to go celibate, idlozi amalukwazi ukungiphikisa. They say, mele uyolala kanje. It's self-discipline. You sit down and say, okay, I have a high sexual drive and I understand that it's coming from you guys. Kodwa ngicela ukuthi ngingabi umuntu oziphonsa noma yikuphi ngoba phela manje sengimanzi noma ngivukele, yabo. You tame your ancestors and teach them discipline. That way utloba safe. Utloba safe. You will not even be pouring yourself everywhere, because of sex is it's very spiritual. Inkinga ukuthi ijule kakhulu, into eziningi ezumdaka zihambiswa ngocansi, and ema ungazi uzobona engathi manje lo muntu istallion. No, they are performing a ritual on top of you. When you come, it's chai. And umuntu ogangile, they will always say it in your ear, come. Uzibuza ukuthi ekhehla awukwazi ukuthi ungazi ungifoste ngifike lapho, and umsebenzi ngigcwale ngawo, yabo. Don't summon it into me. That's where the red flags start. Not everyone. No, get this. Not everyone. Not everyone does that. It's sexual talk, right? We are having a sexual talk. But umuntu ukuthi into zakhe ziyakusinda noma kukhona. You understand? So now, when that's the first thing that you're uttering, you must question yourself, what ritual are we doing? Because of there is a story. Remember that people used to go to Dubai. They go there, babakakele milomeni, nanana. Ama ritual lezinto lezi basicatha lapho silala nawe sithatha inhlanhla mawusesikhathini ibonus futhi ke na uyinyanga lapha umuntu wakho akutshela ukuthi lalela lo muntu ebengilale naye izolo usesikhathini ngiyokuthuma ngithi buya nepad lakhe, yabo. Kwenziwa ihlabelo lapha na umntana abantu isacrifice abe angazi. So as a spiritual person, you don't want to find yourself in rituals where you are fed amakaka noma kuthathwa ama-panty liner noma kuthathwa ipad lakho liyosetshenziswa, ngoba zikhanda imali lezo zinto lezo. Abantu abaningi babalekela ithwaleni zawo zocansi ngoba ikhanda imali fast. The minute you start climaxing, your energy is released. I take everything. Not everything, but there is a little bit of something that I'm going to get from you. That's why amanye sex workers okutshela ukuthi solo kungalala nobani bani akusahambanga kahle. Chomi leyo nto idlulile, lalela umnotho wakhe usu-adkhekile. Yabo, it's deep. It is deep.
Manje ke ningitshelenge hayi ningididile ke manje ngoba manje senikhuluma izinto eziyi3 ngesikhathi esi1 bekuyisithembu kwaba umjolo lo wenu wama spirit ukuthi mina if ngumkhulu or ngugogo or ngine gift asihlangane eTexini sezwe connection kuphela kabhlungu safika kanjani ke ecansini
icansi isign yokubonisa ukuthi umuntu odinga isithembu. Enye yama sign sifike kanjalo ke kulentozana ku this party le ezodinga kube no 8
or ufuna sibuyele emateksi la uhlangana nomuntu akakutshela ukuthi ngiboniswe
ukuthi nomlaleli understand ukuthi zonke lento lezi kahle ziloku ziyahambelana, uyayibona lento le ukuthi okay kwaqala kahle la isithembini ukuthi nobhuti lona uyagijima. So mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi nama ngumama nje uthola ukuthi hayi nginomgijimi la ngaphakathi, so it means nami nginalento yesithembu nami ngasithatha isithembu.
Cha, that's the discipline I'm talking about.
Abayithatha masidi.
Angithi basesukune century le manje.
I won't get there, but there was a show love.
I think, like I'm saying, it's all in discipline.
Yeah.
Nokuziphatha, yabo. As umuntu esifazane, I don't think you'd be comfortable sleeping with multiple men at the same time.
Yes.
No, indoda phela ngingenwe yindoda. Hayi ukuthi mina ngingene kuyindoda. Ingene kimi. So izolalela ama-boundaries wabo.
So just I don't know how it works, but
Re ba beya stele wa mo bankanya motho re dlozi lami amadoda awu3 angicabanga ukuthi isimilo esihle leso noma kusiphatha kahle yabo. For men, I don't know why this is a thing, but for men it's normal for you to be sleeping with 5 people at the same time and nobody will say anything or you wouldn't even feel anything. But as a woman, you sleep with one person. If that person starts blue ticking you, you are left with some of their things because remember, uyena ongena kumina ngingena ngamina kuyi. Lenta ishiye kumina iyohlezi ilibele i-builder up. So now imagine umkhulu ungizwise ubuhlungu noma umkhulu we smash, he decides to go elsewhere and then now I decide ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngendlela. Ngiyasihlangahlanganisa kwayimina yabo, ngiyasihlangahlanganisa. Abantu besilisa angazi mkhulu mhlawumbe uhlorobutsa hore ibereka byang. But abantu besilisa they get away with it because baya understand ukucleanser. They know ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ube ngaphakathi kwesithembu ngihambe ngiye kugogo lo mengisuka lapha ngihambe ngiye kuMercedes with the same energy. You need to cleanse yourself ukuthi mangiya lapha yana ongikuthathele kunga affecting ala. But as a woman
it's relationship entsha nje it's advisable ukuthi
ugeze nanoma uhlukana nomuntu wakho. That's how we get rid of soul ties. If we're gonna say ukuthi mina ngihlezi ngiphuphi ex yami ngimona khona imele iqampule phakathi kwalokho ngoba phela uliphuphelani ex angithi akasekho lalo muntu loyo nami usikama ucabanga ngalo family bathi usikama ucabanga
yena uyangicabanga mina njoba ngimphupha is because yena
lapho but baningi wathandana nabo abakucabanga. So you need to cleanse njengoba ugogo asho angeke ucale enye relationship
ngethunzi la kabantu bani
yeah ngisirithi kasirithi sagage you are making a problem. That is why most of the time angeke kube umuntu kamoya bakushitele okay bangakushitela bacabuzane ne but angeke balalana ungazi because the immediate time they do it you become
you will feel
part.
it.
You understand?
You feel it?
You feel it how?
God.
Like
Akithi mama sicale ngokuthi
or you'll just fear hurt
no remember ukuthi indaba iqale la
somewhere.
Angithi iqale kuma belly button
every
now and
then.
Yes.
That guy who busy na someone.
I will switch off. I will know ukuthi ikhona into ehambelana nami engahambi kahle and I will not even go lena le ngiyoyishaya ngqo ngoba izokutshela ukuthi lo muntu ukuthi wawuhlanganisa imimoya naye namhlanje sekafaka omunye umoya now it's disturbing me wayitsi bataba ele bare motswadi utlwa ka mokhubu re
that's marriage.
It is, that's why bare
kungakayenzeki na next
but sex without marriage is a sin, right?
Yeah.
Sex before marriage is a sin, and I fully agree because of sin. Siyangena siyaphuma. Ukhokela imimoya cabanga ke nomuntu athi nginama ex awu 15. Kushuthi wena manje uhamba nemathunzi awu 15 if you do not cleanse. Mawungazigezi kushuthi la uyongena khona. That's why abanye abantu bathi ngasolokho ngahlukana nomkhulu bani mangiya komunye ngineyinkinga. Cha awunazo inkinga. Ungene emendweni omusha ngezikhwama zayizolo. Hamba uyozicleanser, isolate yourself, bring yourself back to yourself and then you start giving relationships a chance. Yebo.
And that is why I always tell people ukuthi angifuna ukuphuma ku topic ukuthi there's a huge difference between marriage and wedding. There's someone who's wedded to Gogo but is married to me.
Yes.
Nanomalala no Gogo like you change ubuso ba Gogo kube yimi because we are married. They just celebrated what we call wedding. You understand? So in marriage akusukufaka nama ring. And in marriage ikhona ukuyenzeka ngakalalana. Thola ukuthi lo muntu niyayicocela nje niyahlangana nikathintane ne but makangekho right you can feel and you call babe are you fine? No I'm not. Yazi ngizwile yabo you are married but you just not yet wedded. Wabona so deep indaba ye spirituality and sithatha kancane
yeah like big time.
No yes nami ngifuna ukusho kanjalo ukuthi now it makes sense abathi sithembu into ophiwa yona yidlozi because of you understand ukuthi this belly of yours le nomkhaba ifuneke understand ukuthi number 1 akangekho right no number 2 ake uyazi ukuthi wena bonke nabantu labafuna ukuba sense njengenhloko because of the word of God says a man is a head. So you need to understand ukuthi this right hand is not right and intamo le ayikho right. So we understand kufuneke ube pure ka usesithembini but yeah uphethe indodla obvious angeke kube nendaba ukuthi hayi lo unje ngoba wena uyazi ukuthi focus yakho ikuphi
naba abanandaba abane allowance.
Yabona manje mkhulu ake ngicambela manje.
It's bad phela economically is bad.
But asikho isithembu esijulile asikho isithembu okay maybe mhlambe bakhona bazifihlile
Abayifihlile, ne.
kodwa angahlangani nesithembu ukuthi esasedlozini because wonke umuntu mawuthi yalalela no I'm having multiple wives because of I want kids I'm having multiple wives because of I'm avoiding cheating ayikho reason ehlangana nedlozi khopela rifihle kodwa bengela hore okay njengoba ungibiza phakathi kwalokho what is my duty ingakho ekugcineni labafazi sebaqala bayalumana laphana batshelana ngemvela kude zakabanibani ukuthi awungitsheli mina ngangondla wena ukuthi namhlanje ube nomuzi lezo inkulumo ziyakukhomba ukuthi igejile lento yakho esithembu because of abantu abafaka esithenjini they have an insight yabo nabo basuka bebiziwe ngoba akwazi ukuthi you can take any random person umfake phakathi kwesithembu kusuka kuba ukuthi naye uyalazi udaba ukuthi la ngibuya khona my responsibility mase ngithole indoda yilokhu nalokhu and at any time I must expect that man to tell me about his thembu ingakho sithi iubizo kahle kahle usithembu siyasithwasela asithwaseni isithembu sibafundise
so mina my other thing before ngoba isikhathi sezashaya kuyona lento le one thing that I think ukuthi it's important ukuthi maybe if sesiqedile ukukhuluma la try to explain to people ukuthi ukugeza lokho ukuthi ngisusu A ngoba sengene ku B sukuyenza kanjani because of I think singabantu abanengi that is why kutholakala ukuthi intanga lezami sinama boyfriend abo my 5 nabo different fathers abo 5 only because of asenzanga right from the start uloku ngena nalo uyafika uloku uyashiya nalo uyafika njalo nje wena usala ne parcel ne certificate ne degree you understand but maybe ngaba advisor nentanga lezi zethu ukuthi kahle sayimosha awuhlukana no A awufika ku B ubosola kuphethe lo ya no A so siyenza kanjani cleansing le then so that sikhona ungena kusithembu sazi ukuthi now I'm pure right
yazi gogo kuyi summarizer fast ne people do that but because of they don't even know what they are doing everyone makanomfazi mangashona umzalwane yini they know that I must go cleanse because kunalento esibiza ngamahome you can't be having igazi nesithunzi somuntu ofile obvious uzoba nama bad luck but when they separate with someone who's still alive they think it's a different story they must just carry on it becomes a problem that's why I'm always saying to a person mawungathandana nomuntu mhlambe oyisifebe ongasisifebe you will end up becoming one but lentombazana lebe iphathe kahle but ever since ithandana nalo yaguy angisho senihlangene nento eyi1 nawe lobufebe sebiyakubiza you understand so mawuhlukana nomuntu whether i relationship noma umshado clean so that you go to a relationship entsha uwe because uzongizela nomunye umuntu lana engingamazi that is why abantu abaningi bathi masicala ukuthandana beka so ngimbona ngathi umuntu right ini but manje sekayangimangazi is because akazanga ayi1 la you understand so a lot of people bayithatha kancane that is why umuntu oyi virgin mangahlangana nomuntu oyi virgin chances are they going to get married because beze
that's the only thing
kuyibo
they know
you understand so thina uthandana nogogo uthandana nalo awuyenzi mix bese ufuna ukushada kusasa angeke kulunge niyolwela iremote isuse ngimpi icede umshado because uze la ni 5 plus noma Christ no Jesus wathi makhuluma with the Samaritan woman wathi ngibona amadoda ayi7 la kwathi kanjani ngoba nginamuntu ngisho athulalena ngakhe ababalela bona bahlala la ku you understand gogo akusukuthi ngoba nithe it's over so kuphelile no you have to get rid of them
ayibo manje negundwane leli ngoba mina ngisalifuni lona lilo lingicakayisayo and manje ungakhohlwa ukuthi sinalinye igundwane nalo la lila and mina sengithanda lelo so anginaso isikhathi sokuthi ngizola ngicabanga ukuthi hayi no ufune ngilisuse
I mean it's not something that you need to think of kodwa izokukhomba ukuthi ibalekile akumela ngicabange kodwa yona makumela ikhombe ukuthi ibalekile izokukhomba uzobona ngokuthi ama relationship umuntu uyafika uyahamba yabo ube wenza yonke into the way you need to do it you know ukuthi yabona mangipheka leli bottle leli kuyaphila kodwa akushiye kube kunjalo uthi uyozama kuba itraffic nje yabo men come in and out women come in and out it means ukuthi kukhona into engahlaliseka ngaphezulu kwakho ekumele uyiqondisa ukuze umuntu makafika ahlale yabo ebese ke mawukuthi ke na umuntu wakho usakuzulazula shiya phansi balance. Indoda ekuphathisa stress mshi. Intombi ekuphathisa stress shiya phansi because of when will you have the time to build yourself?
Awelaphi.
Abafuna ukulapheka ke.
I mean like you know yabona.
How?
ungayise emfuleni
Bathi ulashwa ulapha ungakalashwa.
Uyitsura how uhlukana le ex yahawa asisemhlanje uyahlukana nomuntu wakho kuyomela ukuthi uye enyangeni noma uyesontweni bakugezele lo thunzi because of you don't want to leave traces of that person with you yabo ikuvalela ama channel uthola ukuthi into zakho bezihamba kahle mawuhlukana nalomuntu seziyagela hamba uyohlambulula ayisho ukuthi buyela kuye ithi hamba uyozilungisa so that you detach from that spirit and you run your own journey because sometimes i-success yethu iblock abantu esihamba nabo
Or sometimes ujole nayo or nibe kuleyo relationship.
understand?
But akungahlangani.
Kungahlanga because of manje ngize nemithwalo yami yakabanibani nawe uze nemithwalo yakho yakabanibani mase sihleli sithi siyabonisana iyashayisana yonke lento lena ngoba kunemiphefumulo eminye ukuthi besithandana sahlangana ayikho into ye-ex imcasula nje ngokuthi ube nomunye umuntu baqala waba nomunye umuntu uyahlanya ngoba uyacabanga ukuthi the connection that we built inkinga so mina mase ngithi ngizothandana nomkhulu iba inkinga ngoba ashuwe unale jealousy and usona phela ayahayaro lokulla so there's nothing that's going to work because of we did not cut that tie. Now once you cut ties uzobabona ke bayaqala bayaklara bayaqala bayaxolisa lapho mele ube nesibindi sokusho ukuthi akukwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu angangibonisa a greener pasture and then I'm still going back to inkinga zami vala leyo chapter and move on successfully because of after a soul tie you can't go back to your ex utlodlala ka rena no usona tshwantse re ntse ditlhare re thusana le wena ha ibereki
hayi kunzima manje ke Masedi kunomgezo lo weni loyo kugezwa ngeinkukhu or is just a clean cleansing
ama cleansing ayahluka kuya ngokuthi umuntu mamhlolela kuvela amapha amathonga noma idlozi eliphi ama cleansing ayahluka yakhona ukuthi ususe i-soul tie ngeswasho nendlela yenkonzo uyakhona ukuthi uyishaye ngomuthi uhambe yohlaba uwenze lokho kumele kwenzakala into eyenzakalayo ukuthi umuntu uyahlala awuvedeni uvuke gogo uthi mina ngiyosusa ama soul tie or ngiyokhatha in you need to first sit and consult with that person's ancestors ukuthi kahle asithi bahlanganiswe idlozi asithi it's you and I idlozi lingitshela ukuthi mele ngikugane ebese akusebenzi mangithi ngikhatha i-soul tie kuwe mele ngiyobika kucala mele ngisondeza amathonga lawa awukuthi bebadidekile yabo sibabikele ukuthi la ilani bogogo akuhambanga kahle between mina no ghost lady namhlanje nali igazi ukuthi maliqhitheka liyohamba ligeza konke ukuthi kwayenzakala nginalo umuntu loya aliphinde habe lihambele phambili lo ngilethela ukukhanya ngoba ngeke sikenze ngenkukhu emnyama sibe sikhatha ama soul tie you need inkukhu emhlophe to also identify your pureness ukuthi manje you are going into a brighter chapter of your life and you're leaving every other thing uyajula babatshele I always tell my people ukuthi mangabe ukhatha ama soul tie write down everything that you don't want from that man ebese yothi mase sihlaba le yankukhu leyana siyazi ukuthi konke ukuthi bekakulethele siyakuncwaba sikucalela kabusha ukuthi nezintanga zakho zikubone
hayi Masedi hayi wena uceda
hayi akacethi Masedi isikhathi ke
lothi a minute sivale
I like the way ugogo achaza izinto ngakhona yabona emoyeni kahle ayikho lento ukuthi Panado ipolice inhloko iDispring ipolisa ini wena njengoba chaza bangakuyenzela kanje kuze lokusasa kube i-different method we consult with the spirit awu creme ukuthi iswashe sinjema ogeze ngaso abantu bathola imisebenzi si consulta nomoya understand so I like what ugogo is saying that is why I always fight indaba yokuthi sizothi singena kuma social media ikhandlela eliblue lokwenza sona so okay sharp okay is fine but mina ngalibona different what we are saying so sigcina silahleka lapho yabona so uconsulta nomoya it's number 1 guys let's not do izinto ngokuthi siya crema sitlasini sifuna ukuphasa no we must always consult with the Holy Spirit
hayi out of here
ngiyakuvuma
hayi awuqedi